You can use AI voice changer to change your voice in
any video. Let it be your own footage or an existing clip. No reshoot.
Fully synced. Comment voice and I'll be your middle link.
Okay, welcome guys. So you must have seen how I did the AI voice changer video. So now I will break it down. Like this session would be on the how I replace my voice tone in each of the footage. So for example, what I did earlier was like I recorded my footage in this angle with my own custom voiceover. With you can just listen to it. So this was my raw footage which I have used to create this. So after that what I did was like I took the opening so I paused it and I took the one of the best shot of the image, which is this. So I took a screenshot out of this and I created a different characters of myself in these kind of custom images in Seed Dance, or you can do it in Nano Banana Pro also. So this is Warcraft, this is Ricky and Morty, and this is just a random me in a Mars, and this is a female version just to show that how much female version you can get out of it, in the voiceover. Okay, so these were the ones. So after that the footage what you see over here, I had made this into an character replacement, which is not in this tutorial because this is mainly on how we can use ElevenLabs to replace our voiceover. So this tutorial is mainly on to that. So what I did was like I created a variation of my avatars, like whatever images, and I motion copied it with the same voiceover. So if you see here, it's all the same voice, and if you see here, it's again the same voice. So I had created almost these variations. So next is the interesting part. All you just need to go to ElevenLabs and you can sign in. Okay, now we are in the ElevenLabs page. So the things are very simple. So all you need to do is go to the voice changer, and here if you see, you can upload either a video or you can even place your recorded audio also. These are the four videos which I have created, which has already my same voiceover only. So for example, I select this woman. So what it does is it takes only the audio part, so which helps us to change the VO. So here if you see, there are lots of voice options which you can search for. For example, if this is a female, so we can search for a female voice, and yeah, you can.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted. Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shown. Not what we have, but what we enjoy.
So for example, if it's a charlotte, so what you can do is click on charlotte and then click generate. So right now I'll play this. What it has is my current voice. So this is the same voiceover of mine, which is my real voice. Now I have selected charlotte over here, and it's always V2. We don't get V3 on this voice changer. So you can click over here also, which removes the background noise also, and then click generate speech. So what it does is like it converts all my VO into this charlotte voiceover.
You can use AI voice changer to change your voice in any video. Let it be your own footage or an existing tape. No reshoot, fully synced.
See, it's that simple, and then you can download it. Use this on your any video editing platform, and you can just select this. You can actually replace the voiceover over here. Like you just need to mute the voiceover on this video, and you just need to add that voiceover on top of it, and ta-da, you are done. So it's that simple. And do let me know if you guys want to know how I did this motion transfer in the comments. Then I'll be making a separate video on it. Do comment on the link, do comment on the video, and I will post the breakdown on this videos also. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe.